The aging body's most underappreciated internal system truly deserves our focused medical attention today, without delay. Therefore, I will now explain how your internal bacterial ecosystem quietly transforms with advancing chronological age very gradually. Yet most people remain completely unaware of this gradual and subtle biological shift occurring within them every day. Consequently, understanding these fundamental changes becomes absolutely essential for maintaining lifelong health and vitality as you age. Your gut contains trillions of bacteria that begin to quietly shrink after you reach age 60 years old. However, the diversity of your microbiome directly controls your immunity, digestion, and mental clarity simultaneously every day. Yet most people have no idea this decline is happening because the symptoms are extremely subtle and gradual.
This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice from your doctor. The gut microbiome consists of hundreds of bacterial species living in a balanced cooperative ecosystem together harmoniously. However, research consistently shows older adults have significantly less microbial diversity than younger healthy individuals do. Consequently, this decline links directly to reduced immunity, increased inflammation, and slower gastrointestinal function over time. Yet today I will explain the mechanisms behind this change and the best dietary responses available to you now.
Number 10. The gut microbiome after 60. Why it shrinks and how to rebuild it.
Your gut microbiome is a complex ecosystem of hundreds of bacterial species working in perfect harmony together every day. However, aging triggers three converging forces that quietly reduce this microbial diversity over time very significantly. Therefore, diet, medication, and physiological changes work together to shrink your gut ecosystem progressively as you grow older. Yet the encouraging news is that your microbiome remains remarkably responsive to dietary intervention at any age you are. Consequently, specific foods have been shown in clinical trials to measurably restore microbial populations effectively and safely over time. But most older adults never receive this information during their routine medical consultations with physicians during regular visits. Therefore, I will now explain the mechanisms behind this decline and the evidence-backed solutions available for your benefit. Yet, understanding these principles empowers you to take proactive control of your gut health immediately starting right now.
Number 9. Gastric acid production declines and alters the gut environment.
Gastric acid production naturally declines with advancing age, changing the gut environment for resident bacteria living there. Consequently, this reduction in stomach acid disadvantages beneficial bacterial species that thrive in acidic conditions very well. However, less gastric acid allows potentially harmful bacteria to survive and proliferate much more easily inside your body. Therefore, the delicate balance of your gut ecosystem begins to shift toward less desirable bacterial populations over time. Yet this physiological change is often overlooked by both patients and their primary care physicians during routine medical visits. Consequently, many older adults unknowingly harbor an altered microbiome that promotes systemic inflammation throughout their entire bodies gradually. But understanding this mechanism allows you to take targeted dietary steps to counteract the decline effectively and safely. Therefore, consuming fermented foods can help restore beneficial bacteria despite reduced gastric acid levels present in your system.
Number 8. Reduced gut motility alters fermentation patterns and favors harmful species.
Reduced gut motility means food moves more slowly through your digestive tract with advancing age over time. Consequently, slower transit time alters fermentation patterns and favors less desirable bacterial species over time gradually. However, this change in motility also increases the production of harmful metabolites in your colon significantly. Therefore, beneficial bacteria that require rapid transit for optimal growth begin to decline significantly over time. Yet increasing dietary fiber intake can help normalize gut motility and support healthier fermentation patterns effectively. Consequently, prebiotic fibers from garlic, onions, and asparagus feed the beneficial bacteria you need most every day. But many older adults avoid fiber due to chewing difficulties or taste changes that occur with age. Therefore, incorporating resistant starch from cooled potatoes provides a gentle and effective alternative for everyone.
Number 7. Antibiotic use wipes out bacterial populations that never fully recover.
Antibiotic use is more common in older adults and can wipe out entire bacterial populations completely and permanently. Consequently, these beneficial bacterial species often never fully recover after antibiotic treatment ends permanently for good. However, repeated antibiotic courses further compound the damage to your already declining gut ecosystem significantly over time. Therefore, the loss of key species like Bifidobacterium accelerates systemic inflammation and immune dysfunction over time gradually. Yet many physicians prescribe antibiotics without discussing the importance of post-treatment microbiome restoration with their patients. Consequently, patients miss the critical window for rebuilding their gut diversity after each antibiotic course ends completely. But consuming fermented foods during and after antibiotic treatment can significantly aid bacterial recovery processes effectively. Therefore, always ask your doctor about probiotic-rich foods when you receive a new antibiotic prescription for treatment.
Number 6. Proton pump inhibitors further reduce microbial diversity in the upper gut.
Proton pump inhibitors like omeprazole are used widely for acid reflux in older adult patients every day. However, these medications further reduce microbial diversity in the upper gastrointestinal tract significantly over time. Consequently, the altered fecal environment created by these drugs favors harmful bacterial overgrowth in your gut. Therefore, long-term use of proton pump inhibitors is linked to increased risk of serious infections developing. Yet many patients remain on these medications indefinitely without considering their microbiome consequences at all times. But discussing alternative acid reflux management strategies with your physician can protect your gut health effectively. Consequently, dietary changes and lifestyle modifications may reduce your need for these microbiome-disrupting medications permanently. Therefore, always review your medication list with your doctor to minimize unnecessary proton pump inhibitor use.
Number 5. A study found microbiome diversity predicts survival in adults over 65.
A landmark study published in Cell Host and Microbe revealed groundbreaking findings about gut health outcomes for patients. Consequently, researchers discovered that microbiome diversity in adults over 65 predicted survival outcomes significantly and accurately. However, lower diversity was specifically associated with increased systemic inflammation, a key aging driver process occurring. Therefore, this research establishes a direct link between your gut bacteria and your overall longevity potential. Yet, most primary care physicians do not routinely discuss microbiome testing with their older adult patients during visits. But Medicare typically covers preventive care consultations where gut health can be addressed thoroughly together with doctors. Consequently, you should proactively bring up microbiome health during your next annual wellness visit appointment with them. Therefore, understanding this research empowers you to take meaningful dietary steps toward better longevity outcomes for yourself.
Number 4. Reduced physical activity decreases beneficial Lactobacillus populations.
Reduced physical activity, which is common with advancing age, measurably decreases beneficial Lactobacillus bacterial populations significantly. However, regular exercise has been shown to increase microbial diversity and promote healthier gut ecosystems overall for everyone. Therefore, even moderate walking for 30 minutes daily can significantly improve your gut bacterial composition over time. Consequently, Lactobacillus species thrive when you maintain consistent physical activity throughout your entire week without fail. But many older adults reduce their activity levels due to joint pain or mobility limitations they experience daily. Yet simple exercises like chair yoga or water aerobics still provide meaningful microbiome benefits for everyone involved. Therefore, combining physical activity with fermented food consumption creates a powerful synergistic effect together for your health. Consequently, your gut bacteria respond positively to both movement and dietary changes, working in harmony together always.
Number 3. Dietary simplification accelerates microbial loss in older adults.
Dietary simplification, often seen in older adults due to taste changes or chewing difficulties, accelerates microbial loss significantly. Consequently, eating the same limited foods daily starves beneficial bacteria that require diverse nutrient sources for survival. However, Bifidobacterium species among the most beneficial decline by up to 90% by age 70 years old. Therefore, This dramatic reduction in key bacterial populations directly impacts your immune system function negatively over time. Yet simple dietary adjustments can prevent this decline and even reverse existing microbial losses effectively and safely. But incorporating a variety of plant fibers, fermented foods, and healthy fats provides essential bacterial nutrition daily. Consequently, even small changes like adding one new vegetable weekly can significantly improve your gut diversity gradually. Therefore, working with a nutritionist or dietitian can help you overcome taste and chewing barriers successfully together.
Number 2. The three foods with the strongest evidence for rebuilding gut diversity.
First, fermented foods like Activia, yogurt, Lifeway, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, and miso are direct microbiome contributors for you. However, a Stanford trial published in Cell found fermented food consumption increased microbiome diversity within 10 weeks' time. Consequently, participants eating 6 servings of fermented foods daily showed reduced markers of systemic inflammation simultaneously together. Second, diverse plant fibers, including prebiotic foods, feed and sustain existing beneficial bacterial populations effectively over time. Therefore, garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, and slightly unripe bananas are among the richest prebiotic fiber sources available. But resistant starch found in cooled potatoes stored at room temperature is particularly powerful for gut health benefits. Third, extra virgin olive oil contains polyphenols that act as both antimicrobials and microbiome modulators simultaneously for you. Consequently, research from the Pyramid study linked olive oil consumption to measurable improvements in gut bacterial balance.
Number 1. Starting with 1 or 2 fermented food servings daily is a realistic first step.
Starting with 1 or 2 servings of fermented food daily is a realistic and impactful first step forward. However, a review published in Gut confirmed that increased prebiotic intake significantly raised bifidobacterium levels in older adults. Therefore, combining fermented foods with prebiotic fibers creates a synergistic effect that maximizes microbiome restoration effectively over time. Consequently, you can begin with a simple morning yogurt topped with sliced banana for immediate benefits every day. But adding a tablespoon of sauerkraut to your lunch provides additional bacterial diversity and digestive support for you. Yet extra virgin olive oil drizzled over vegetables delivers polyphenols that modulate your gut ecosystem further and better. Therefore, these 3 food categories work together to rebuild microbial populations that decline with advancing age gradually. Consequently, your immunity, digestion, and mental clarity all improve as your gut diversity gradually increases over time.
By the way, I covered other crucial details on this topic in my full video presentation available now. Therefore, if this helped you, please subscribe, leave a like, and drop your question below for me.